morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Seniors Have Talent, brought to you by Seniors Today. We are in Group D of the first round. It's been 4 weeks already, and soon we will be in the semi-finals. We have a lot of people joining in. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. Seniors Today is India's number one destination for senior citizens. We have a magazine, a buzzy website, and a few online events. And all of them are hugely popular, like our health webinar that we do every Saturday. And of course, Seniors Have Talent, which you are watching right now. Um, and the October 15th issue of the magazine has just been published last week. So those of you who haven't seen it yet, please do download it right now from seniorstoday.in. All right. You can do that after the event. Please don't go anywhere right now. I can see a lot of our contestants from group A, B, C are here today. And I can see some of the shortlisted from group E as well. Guys, let's give a huge round of applause for everyone and to those who are going to be participating this morning. Um, we will be announcing the winners of group C today at the end of the show. All right. I would like to announce that the entries for season 2 of Seniors Have Talent will open on Sunday, October 25th. That's the Sarah day. And we'll start season 2 on Sunday, December 6th. So, we're already ready for season 2 because we've gotten such a great response from you guys. Um, all right. Now, the process for Seniors Have Talent, every group we will have 4 winners, 2 based on the votes. So that's the popular choice, and 2 will be the editor's choice. And all 4 entries, all of them, 4 of them will enter the semi-finals. So far, the 5 rounds of Group 1, Group A, B, C, D, E winners will go into semi-finals, and then we will have the finals. So cute. I like the comments in the comment section, guys. Please keep leaving your comments. Keep encouraging everybody that is performing today. For our contestants and viewers, after the performance, you can cast your vote for the singer who you think is the best. The voting page is now open. It's at seniorstoday.in/vote. So make sure that you cast your vote for the one who you find the best. We have posted the address in the chat. You can see it's been posted. We will also be posting it on our Facebook. Voters need to fill in their personal details. You will get an OTP number on your mobile, which once you enter it and submit your vote. You can vote from anywhere in the world. Voting ends at 6 p.m. next Saturday, that is October 24th, 2020. The results for today's voting will be announced in the next Sunday show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready to are we ready to start the show? Right? We welcome all our viewers, contestants. Please sit back and enjoy this musical Sunday. First up, without any further ado, for Seniors Have Talent, Group 1, Round 1, Group D. First up, we have a contestant coming in all the way from Bangalore. He plays the tabla and finds peace in music, a big fan of karaoke. Let's welcome Mr. K.V. Lakshmi Narayan. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you?
I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible. What song are you singing for us this morning, sir?
Well, I'm going to be singing a song from the early 60s, sung by Manade from a movie called Baat Ek Raat Ki. This is a truncated version because the song is a very long one, about 6.5 minutes. And since we have a limitation of 3 minutes, I do the mukhda and the eventual tarana. I've edited my track, I've trimmed it so that we don't lose time. And it is about 2 minutes and 56 seconds.
Beautiful. All right. As soon as you start your music, we will start your time.
Sure. So I'll go ahead.
Please take it away.
चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग, चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, घर जाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग। Dim tanana did danum tanda terena dim tanana did dan dum ta terena dim tanana did dan dum ta terena dirna tere tere dana dirna dir dum ta da dare 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 dim tanana dir 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 tare 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 dim tanana did danum tanda terena dim tanana did dan dum ta terena सप्त सुर तीन काम बंसी बाजे हेत सनि सनि निध निध द पप मग मग ग मम गरे सा दादा कृता धरन धरन धरित पास परित नहीं पर झाजर जन की छन नन 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 nadir dir dum tanana tanana nanana nadir tanana dir darum tanana dir nadir tanana dir dan dum ta dir nadir tanana dir dan. nadir dir dum tanana dim tanana dim tanana dim tanana dir dum tanana dir dum tanana dir dum tanana dir dum tanana nadir dir dum dir dir nadir dir dum dir dir tom di tom di tom di tom di tom da di tom da di tom da di tom nadir dir dum da da dha nadir dir dum da da dha nadir dir dum da da dha dim tanana dir darum tanana dir nadim tanana dir darum dum ta dir nadim tanana dir darum tanana dir nadim tanana dir dum ta dir nadim tanana dir da.
That was beautiful. That was so good.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please clap it up. Yes, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mr. Lakshmi Narayan. Next, please feel free to vote on seniorstoday.in/vote for who you found the best in today's performances. Next up, we have a contestant all the way from Mumbai. He enjoys composing music and photography. Ladies and gentlemen, please join your hands in bringing in Mr. Balchandran Gokhale.
Good morning.
Hi, how are you doing this morning?
Yes, good.
Lovely, lovely.
Yes.
What song are you singing this morning for us?
Basti Basti Parvata Parvata.
All right,
Sung
beautiful.
by Muhammad Rafi.
Lovely.
Railway platform.
All right.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, as soon as you start the music, we will start your time.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Good luck.
I'm starting now.
Please.
Thank you very much. बस्ती बस्ती पर्वत पर्वत गाता जाए बंजारा लेकर दिल का एक तारा बस्ती बस्ती पर्वत पर्वत गाता जाए बंजारा लेकर दिल का एक तारा पल दो पल का साथ हमारा पल तो पल की यारी आज रुके तो कल करनी है चलने की तैयारी बस्ती बस्ती पर्वत पर्वत गाता जाए बंजारा लेकर दिल का एक तारा बस्ती बस्ती पर्वत पर्वत गाता जाए बंजारा लेकर दिल का एक तारा कदम कदम पर होनी बैठी अपना जाल बिछाए, कदम कदम पर होनी बैठी अपना जाल बिछाए। इस जीवन की राह में जाने कौन कहाँ रह जाए, कौन कहाँ रह जाए। बस्ती बस्ती पर्वत पर्वत गाता जाए बंजारा, लेकर दिल का एक तारा। बस्ती बस्ती पर्वत पर्वत गाता जाए बंजारा, लेकर दिल का एक तारा। धन दौलत के पीछे क्यों है ये दुनिया दीवानी, यहाँ की दौलत यहाँ रहेगी साथ नहीं ये जानी। बस्ती बस्ती पर्वत पर्वत गाता जाए बंजारा, लेकर दिल का एक तारा। बस्ती बस्ती पर्वत पर्वत गाता जाए बंजारा, लेकर दिल का एक तारा।
All right. Thank you, Mr. Gokhleji. Well done. Give it up for Mr. Gokhleji, everyone. You've been getting a lot of encouraging words. Thank you, everyone, for putting in your comments in the chat section. Please go ahead and vote for the one that you liked the most this morning. Voting lines are now open at seniorstoday.in/vote. Please give it up for Gokhleji. While we get our next contestant is from Mumbai. He is he's a pediatrician and a neonatologist who loves singing. Please let's welcome, hello, Dr. Farooq Adam.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready to sing this morning?
Sure. Yes.
What song will you be singing?
I'm singing Ab Kya Misal Do Main Tumhare Shabab Ki from the film Aarti 1962.
All right, cool. As soon as you start your music, we will start your time.
अब क्या मिसाल दूं मैं तुम्हारे शबाब की, इंसान बन गई है किरण माहताब की। अब क्या मिसाल दूं। चेहरे में घुल गया है हंसी चांदनी का नूर, आँखों में है चमन की जवां रात का सुरूर, गर्दन है एक झुकी हुई डाली, डाली गुलाब की। अब क्या मिसाल दूं मैं तुम्हारे शबाब की, अब क्या मिसाल दूं। गेसू खुले तो शाम के दिल से धुआं उठे, छूले कदम तो झुक के न फिर आसमां उठे। 100 बार झिलमिलाए शमा, शमा आफ़ताब की। अब क्या मिसाल दूं। दीवारों दर का रंग ये आंचल ये पैर है, घर का मेरे चराग है, बूटा सा ये बदन, तस्वीर हो तुम ही मेरे जन्नत के ख्वाब की। अब क्या मिसाल दूं मैं तुम्हारे शबाब की, इंसान बन गई है किरण महताब की। अब क्या मिसाल दूं।
Lovely, Dr. Adam. That was beautiful. Thank you
Thank you.
so much. Yeah, I loved it. Ladies and gentlemen, please go and cast your vote right now at seniorstoday.in/vote for whoever you are enjoying this morning. Please stay till the end of the show because we will be announcing last Sunday's winners at the end of the show today. Let us bring on our next contestant. She's also from Mumbai. She's an entrepreneur, and yes, she's a huge sari enthusiast. Let us welcome Lakshmi Ji. Good morning, Lakshmi Ji. How are you this morning?
Good morning. Good morning. I'm good. I'm good. Thank
All
you.
right. What song are you going to be singing this morning?
I'm going to sing Raina Biti Jai from the movie Amar Prem.
Okay.
The music is composed by late R.D. Burman, and the lyrics are by Anand Bakshi ji.
All right. Lovely. Looking forward. Please, as soon as you start your music, we will start your time.
Yes.
Thank you. Take it away.
रहना बीती जाए, शाम न आए, रहना बीती जाए, शाम न आए, निंदिया न आए, निंदिया न आए, रहना बीती जाए, शाम न आए, रहना बीती जाए, शाम को भूला, शाम का वादा रे, शाम को भूला, शाम का वादा, संग दिए जागे राधा, निंदिया न आए, निंदिया न आए, रहना बीती जाए, शाम न आए, रहना बीती जाए। किस सौगन में
lovely, Lakshmi ji. That is amazing.
Thank you so
A
much.
song from Amar Prem. That was just beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, feel free to go and check out our 10 most popular songs of R.D. Burman on seniorstoday.in. You can also cast your vote for whoever you like this morning at seniorstoday.in/vote. Our next performer is from Bhopal. He's a die-hard fan of the golden era of Hindi film songs from 1950 to 1960. Please let us welcome Mr. Triloknath Dubey ji. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, madam.
How are you this morning?
Fine, madam.
What song are you singing, sir?
I'm going to sing Suhani Raat Dhal Chuki Na Jane Tum Kab Aoge from a very old film, Dulari 1949 film.
Beautiful.
And
Beautiful.
this is sung by Rafi Sahab and music composed by Nausad Sahab.
All right, looking forward to that. As soon as you start your music, we will start your time.
Okay.
Good luck.
सुहानी रात ढल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे सुहानी रात ढल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे जहाँ की रुत बदल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे नजारे अपनी मस्तियाँ दिखा दिखा के सो गए सितारे अपनी रोशनी लुटा लुटा के सो गए हर एक शम्मा जल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे सुहानी रात ढल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे तड़प रहे हैं हम यहाँ तड़प रहे हैं हम यहाँ तुम्हारे इंतजार में तुम्हारे इंतजार में खिजा करम आ चला है मौसमी बहार में खिजा करम आ चला है मौसमी बहार में मौसमी बहार में हवा भी रुख बदल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे
That was beautiful, Dubey ji. That was so nice, amazing. Guys, give it up for Dubey ji. We have a lot of encouraging words in the chat. You're saying something, Dubey ji?
I had to curtail two last lines because in order to meet the time, I have curtailed the last
You
lines.
have come on time perfectly, Dubey ji. That was beautiful. That was amazing. Thank you. Please cast your votes right now at seniorstoday.in/vote. Because of the success of season 1, we will be getting you season 2 for which the entries will begin on 25th October. So if you think you've got what it takes to be part of this, look out on the seniorstoday.in website. Next up, our participant is from Mumbai, a passionate musician at heart. He loves to compose music and is a lyricist. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Deepak Ji. Good morning, Deepak Ji.
Yeah, good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very well, thank you. What song are you singing this morning, sir?
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब तू आएगी?
I love that song. Such a nice song. All right, as soon as you start your music, we will start your time.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू? बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू? चलिया तू चलिया, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू? बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू? चलिया तू चलिया। प्यार की गलियां, बाहों की कलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है। प्यार की गलियां, बाहों की कलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है। गीत पनघट पे किस दिन गाएगी तू? मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू? बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू? चलिया तू चलिया। थैंक यू।
That was beautiful. Cast your votes right now at seniorstoday.in/vote. You will get an OTP number on your mobile. Fill in that OTP number and your vote has been casted. All right. Next up, we have Mr. Arun Kumar. Do we have Mr. Arun Kumar here? All right, beautiful. Also, season 2 is starting because we've had such a great response from season 1. 25th of October, the Sera Day, is when the entries for season 2 will begin, and season 2 will start on December 6th. Please make sure you catch all details on seniorstoday.in. Good morning, Arunji.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Fine, very fine.
All right. What song are you singing for us today?
चांदी की दीवार न तोड़ी,
Beautiful.
चांदी की दीवार न तोड़ी, प्यार भरा दिल तोड़ दिया। मूवी का नाम जो है वो विश्वास है और म्यूजिक कंपोजर है कल्याण जी आनंद जी है।
Lovely, lovely. आप जैसे ही आपका म्यूजिक स्टार्ट करेंगे हम टाइम शुरू कर देंगे।
चांदी की दीवार न तोड़ी, प्यार भरा दिल तोड़ दिया। चांदी की दीवार न तोड़ी, प्यार भरा दिल तोड़ दिया। एक धनवान की बेटी ने निर्धन का दामन छोड़ दिया, चांदी की दीवार न तोड़ी, प्यार भरा दिल तोड़ दिया। कल तक जिसने कसमें खाई, दुख में साथ निभाने की, आज वो अपने सुख की खातिर हो गई एक बेगाने की। शहनाइयों की गूंज में दब के रह गई आह दीवाने की, मनों ने दीवाने का हमसे रिश्ता जोड़ दिया। एक धनवान की बेटी ने निर्धन का दामन छोड़ दिया, चांदी की दीवार न तोड़ी, प्यार भरा दिल तोड़ दिया। वो क्या समझे प्यार तो जिनका सब कुछ चांदी सोना है, धन वालों की इस दुनिया में दिल तो एक खिलौना है। सदियों से दिल टूटता आया, दिल का बस ये रोना है, जब तक चाहा दिल से खेला और जब चाहा तोड़ दिया। एक धनवान की बेटी ने निर्धन का दामन छोड़ दिया, चांदी की दीवार न तोड़ी, प्यार भरा दिल तोड़ दिया। Thank you very much.
That was beautiful, Arun Kumar ji. Lovely. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Please
all
give it.
members.
All right. Give it up for Arun Kumar ji. All right. Next up, before I call on the next participant, I would like to tell everybody that the season 1 entries are closed, obviously. But like I said earlier, season 2 will be starting soon. 25th October, we will be starting the entries. You have to be senior citizens, which is 60 years and above, and you can directly register from seniorstoday.in. Next up, we have Shubhangi ji. Good morning.
I'm staying in Mumbai. Basically, my native place is Kolhapur.
That's fine. That's fine. You're like, I'm not from Kolhapur ji, I'm from Mumbai. All right. What song are you singing? What song are you singing today?
I'm singing Ajeeb Daastaan Hai Ye from Dil Apna Aur Preet Parai.
Oof, what a lovely song. Looking forward to singing. All right, please take it away.
Okay. अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं कि जग पड़ी हूँ ख्वाब से, अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। मुबारक है तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए, मुबारक है तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए, किसी के इतने पास हो कि सबसे दूर हो गए, अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम।
That was beautiful, Shubhangi ji. Lovely. That was amazing. Ladies and gentlemen,
Thank
please.
you. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. Give it up for Shubhangi ji. A quick shout out to Miss Tulika Srivastava for being super supportive for everyone performing this morning. She has been extremely awesome in the chats. Ladies and gentlemen, please put all your comments in the chats. Vote for the one that you are enjoying the most at seniorstoday.in/vote. Now, next up we have contestant number 9, Feroz ji. Good morning.
Fine.
How are you this morning?
Fine, thank you.
What song will you be singing today for us?
कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वारे.
Beautiful. As soon as your music starts, we will start your time. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, ready.
Take it away.
कौन आया कौन आया कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वार पायल की झनका लिए कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वार पायल की झनका लिए कौन आया आँख न जाने दिल पहचाने आँख न जाने दिल पहचाने सूरतिया कुछ ऐसी आँख न जाने दिल पहचाने सूरतिया कुछ ऐसी याद करूं तो याद न आए मूर्तियाँ ये कैसी पागल मनवा सोच में डूबा सपनों का संसार लिए कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वार, पायल की झनकार लिए कौन आया। एक पल सोचो मेरी आशा रूप बदल कर आई, एक पल सोचो मेरी आशा रूप बदल कर आई, दूजे पल फिर ध्यान ये आए न कहीं परछाई, जो परदेसी के घर आई एक अनोखा प्यार लिए कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वार, पायल की झनकार लिए कौन आया।
That was beautifully done, Feroz ji. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Feroz ji. You've been getting a lot of encouraging comments in the chat section. Feel free to check all of those comments out. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've been enjoying this, stick around, because at the end of today, we will be revealing the winners from last Sunday's performances. You can go and cast your vote for anyone and everyone that you saw this morning at seniorstoday.in/vote. All right, next up, we come back to Mumbai for our next contestant, who is an entrepreneur and a state-level badminton player. Music makes him very happy. Let us please welcome Sanjay ji. Good morning, Sanjay ji.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Great.
What song will you be singing for us today?
I'll be singing Hai Apna Dil To Awara from film 16वां Saal of 1958 of Majrooh Sultanpuri, and music by Sachin Dev Burman.
It's sung by Hemant Kumar, is it?
Yeah, sung by Hemant Kumar.
All right, lovely, lovely. Looking forward to that. As soon as you start your music, we will start your time.
Hai apna dil to awara, है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया, यही न समझा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया, यही न समझा। बहुत भोला है बेचारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। अजब है दीवाना, न दर न ठिकाना, जमी से बेगाना, फलक से जुदा।
अजब है दीवाना, न दर न ठिकाना, जमी से बेगाना, फलक से जुदा। ये एक टूटा हुआ तारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। Thank you.
Lovely, Sanjay ji. That was beautiful. Thank you so much. Everyone in the comment sections are just loving it. They're all sending you all their love, and please do read the comments. Ladies and gentlemen, when putting your comments, make sure that you are commenting for attendees and panelists so everybody can see. People on Facebook, please feel free to leave your comments. Go cast your vote for whoever you are enjoying now. From Mumbai, we go directly to Bangalore. We are joined by Sri Ram Iyengar. He's an author of 2 books and he enjoys karaoke. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
How are you? Sorry.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Lovely, lovely. What song will you be singing for us?
I'm going to sing a song of Mukesh, Kisi Ki Muskarahaton Pe, from the film Anadi.
Okay, beautiful. As soon as you start your music, we will start your time.
Okay. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिट सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिले जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, चले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। कि मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
That was beautiful, Sri Ramji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely. Please check all the comments in the comment section. Ladies and gentlemen, when leaving a comment, make sure you are commenting to panelists and attendees so that we all can see the comments, the people in the panel, the people in the attendees, everyone can see the comments. Please feel free to cast your votes. Right now, voting lines are open. Go to seniorstoday.in/vote. Next up, our contestant is from Lucknow. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome Nirmal ji. Good morning, Nirmal ji.
गुड मॉर्निंग जी, नमस्ते जी।
नमस्ते जी, आप कैसे हैं आज?
बढ़िया, ठीक ठाक।
आज कौन सा गाना गाएंगे आप हमारे लिए?
उपकार फिल्म का गाना है, मुकेश जी का गाया हुआ।
जी, वेरी गुड। जैसे आपका म्यूजिक शुरू हो जाता है, हम आपका टाइम स्टार्ट कर लेंगे। ऑसम, गुड लक।
दीवानों से ये मत पूछो, दीवानों पे क्या गुजरी है, हाँ उनके दिलों से ये पूछो, अरमानों पे क्या गुजरी है, दीवानों से ये मत पूछो। औरों को पिलाते रहते हैं और खुद प्यासे रह जाते हैं, औरों को पिलाते रहते हैं और खुद प्यासे रह जाते हैं, ये पीने वाले क्या जाने पैमानों पे क्या गुजरी है, दीवानों से ये मत पूछो। मालिक ने बनाया इंसान को, इंसान मोहब्बत कर बैठा, मालिक ने बनाया इंसान को, इंसान मोहब्बत कर बैठा, वो ऊपर बैठा क्या जाने इंसानों पे क्या गुजरी है, हाँ उनके दिलों से ये पूछो, अरमानों पे क्या गुजरी है, दीवानों से ये मत पूछो, दीवानों पे क्या गुजरी है, दीवानों से ये मत पूछो।
Beautiful, Bhargavaji, beautiful. That was lovely, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him. Please see all the comments at section. A lot of lovely words for you out there. Great singing. That is really enjoying. I hope everyone is enjoying this morning. Please stay till the end because we will be announcing last Sunday's winners at the end of today's show. Voting lines are open. Please go and cast your vote at seniorstoday.in/vote. Now we come back to Nagpur. Please, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Ramesh Ji. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm good. I'm from Nagpur, but I live in Bangalore for 30 years now.
Oh, wow. So we should say you're from Bangalore.
Yes, I'm a Bangalorean now.
Yes, all right. What song will you be singing this morning?
I'm a great fan of Shami Kapoor. So I'll go back to 1959, the title song from Dil Dekhe Dekho.
Oof, lovely, lovely. All right. Please take it away.
दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, ओ दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, ओ दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। पूछो 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 परवानों से जरा, धीरे धीरे जलने में कैसा है मजा, पूछो 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 परवानों से जरा, धीरे धीरे जलने में कैसा है मजा, ओहो तुम भी दिल देखे जल जाना सीखो जी, आहा तुम भी दिल देखे जल जाना सीखो जी, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। समझो 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 दीवानों की ज़बान, प्यार में जो होता न होता है जहां, समझो 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 दीवानों की ज़बान, प्यार में न होता है जहां, ओहो तुम भी दिल देखे ये गाना सीखो जी, आहा तुम भी दिल देखे ये गाना सीखो जी, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो 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 जी। Thank you.
Oh my God, I'll give you extra points for costume change. I loved it. That was beautiful. Well done. I'm going to go and vote for you for sure. Guys, give it up for Ramesh Ji and please go and cast your votes right now. I think Shami Kapoor would be so impressed.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
He would really. That was a beautiful performance by Ramesh Ji. We're down to our last contestants, ladies and gentlemen. I know you're all like, oh my God, that got over so soon. We have one more next Sunday. So please cast your votes and we will be telling you who won today's competition. Now, our next contestant this morning is from Gujarat. He has learned basic singing and finds peace in music. Please let us welcome Mr. Virani. Good morning, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, cast your votes right now at seniorstoday.in/vote. If you want to participate, contestants to participate, entries will open on 25th of October.
Hello, how are you? Good afternoon now.
Good afternoon is correct, sir. Can you hear me
I
clearly?
started with good morning and now good afternoon.
That is true. We're down to you. You're the last participant of this morning.
My God.
Don't worry. No pressure. No pressure. It's about enjoying yourself. Are you having fun so far?
Yeah, I have been having fun and all singers were very good.
Exactly. Lovely. All right.
Very nice. I enjoyed.
Nice, nice. We look forward to your performance. What song will you be singing this afternoon?
I'll be singing the Mukesh song, Mera Naam Joker.
Okay.
Jaane kaha gaye wo din.
Beautiful.
Because this is the time when you think of all the past period and all kind of things.
Yeah.
So I will try to sing that song.
Perfect.
Okay, and I hope it comes out clearly. That's.
As soon as you start your music, we will start your time.
जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन कहते थे तेरी आह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर तुमको न भूल पाएंगे तुमको न भूल पाएंगे मेरे कदम जहाँ पड़े सजदे किए थे यार ने मेरे कदम जहाँ पड़े सजदे किए थे यार ने मुझको रुला रुला दिया जाती हुई बहार में जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन कहते थे तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर तुमको न भूल पाएंगे अपनी नजर में आजकल दिन भी अंधेरी रात है, अपनी नजर में आजकल दिन भी अंधेरी रात है, साया ही अपने साथ था, साया ही अपने साथ में, जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहते थे तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे, चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो, चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे.
That was beautiful, Virani ji. Ladies and gentlemen, please
Thank you,
give it up.
thank you. Namaste. Thank you.
Lovely. A big round of applause for all our contestants. That was Mirani ji. That was our last contestant for this morning. I hope you all had a lovely time. The voting site is now open. Please straight away go and cast your vote for the one that you enjoyed watching the most this morning. And please vote at seniorstoday.in/vote. Thank you all for staying till the end of the show. We will be back with Group D next Sunday. Stay tuned. We will also announce the results of Group C on the same day. We have got our round Group D contestants back to the panel. We can all smile. We're going to now get everyone into the panel and smile for a good, quick screenshot. Most welcome, everyone. Thank you. Thank you all for being so supportive in the comment section. I would like to give a shout out to the people that have been super regular in their comments. Tulika ji, I would like to also give a shout out to KVS Raman. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here and supporting the seniors today. Participants, make sure to check out our website. And all right, can we have everybody turn on their cameras? I'm going to take a quick selfie, hide non-video participants. Do we have everyone here? All right, still getting people in. Guys, give yourselves a round of applause. That was just a lot of fun. You guys did so well. Thank you so much for participating. I'm so glad that we got to watch all of y'all. Please tell all your friends and family to cast their votes at seniorstoday.in/vote. It's not goodbye just yet, guys. We're going to be announcing the winners. Seniors Today team, have we taken the screenshot? Should we all smile for the screenshot? 1, 2, 3, smile. Beautiful. That was lovely. Thank you so much. Now, for first, the popular choice, these two winners of Group C received the maximum possible votes. From last Sunday, the winners of the voting from last Sunday at number 2, ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath and start clapping for Dr. Ravikant Gupta. Can we have Dr. Ravikant Gupta joining in? Did he join us this morning? I'm not sure if he's here. And at first place, we have Anita ji. Do we have Anita ji joining us today? Do we have Miss Anita ji joining us? Sharing the screen with you guys there is Dr. Ravikant Gupta ji. Let us bring him into, are we bringing him into panel? Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you winners of round 1, Group C. Please give it up for them, Anita ji and Ravikant Gupta ji. That is beautiful. For you guys, we will be announcing the winners of your participants next Sunday. So please do join in next Sunday. The two winners of Group C as chosen by our experts and editors, the editor's choice winners in no specific order. I'm just going to take names. We have Miss Jamila Mukti. Give it up for Miss Jamila. Yeah, beautiful. And we have V. Muralidharan. These are the editor's choice. If just sharing the screen, there they are, Jamila ji and Muralidharan ji. They are the editor's choice winners. They'll all 4 participants will go straight into the semi-finals. If you all are attending the session, can we turn the spotlight on all of you? Congratulations for joining in. Yeah, here we have Anita ji has joined in. Have we gotten?
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Very good morning. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, and we have.
Thank you, Gia. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you, everybody, for voting me. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yes, and we
Thank
also
you.
have Dr. Ravikant ji is also here. Congratulations,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, lovely.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you for
Congratulations.
joining in. You all have made it
Congratulations,
to.
both of you.
Both of you all have made it to the semi-finals. Which would you like to say a few words, Anita ji?
Yeah, it has been a very wonderful experience for me. And actually, I'm not into much singing on karaoke and all that. So that's how I didn't use any music. But I'm overwhelmed by the response I got from everybody, all my voters. Thanks to a huge thanks to all my voters for voting me in. And
Lovely.
that's
Ravikant ji, would you like to say?
Good afternoon, Gia. This is Muralidharan here.
Hi.
Gia, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, but I can't.
Thank you very much. It's been a good experience for me as well. Muralidharan, I'm not able to, I'm just traveling outside. I can't just speak to you right now. I mean, I can't put a video.
Okay, no
But
problem.
I'm very glad that,
Congratulations.
I've been chosen. Thank you very much, Gia. And you have been a very wonderful host, by the way. Keep it up.
Thank you, guys. Jamila ji is also here. Good morning,
Yeah.
Jamila ji.
Jamila
good
ji,
afternoon.
Happy Mubarak ho. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm so happy that editors have chosen me, and congratulations to Anita and Ravi Gupta ji and Muralidharan ji. I'm really very happy and excited actually. Thank you, Gia. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, the whole team.
ಶುಭಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ.
Thank you. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಸಹ.
ಹೌದಮ್ಮ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Thank you.
ಖಂಡಿತ.
I love how our participants are all so encouraging towards each other as well.
Yeah.
Congratulations. We will see you in the semi-finals. Just before I close this show this
Thank
morning.
you, Gia, once more. And you've been doing a good job. Keep it up.
Thank you. I would like to, before we close, I would like to tell you now we have so far 12 semi-finalists already, 8 more to go. 4 from today and 4 from next Sunday. Do keep reading Seniors Today at seniorstoday.in. And on 15th of October issue is just out. Our 15th October issue is just out. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great and safe week ahead. See you soon. Enjoy your Sunday. Thank you. Give it up for yourselves.